Wala pa akong nakitang mga documents from ALMC at saka NBI. So, paano yun? I need to see those documents also for my reference. Diba? At saka, I think, nagkakaroon ng diversion dito eh. Basically, nauna itong mga pangyayaring ito doon sa aking kagustuhan na sagutin ng COMELEC yung mga basic questions katulad nung pagkakaprocure ng Miru system at saka yung mga makina. Tinatanong namin, compliant ba yung COMELEC in procuring the system and the machines from Miru? Because if you will consider the automated election law, ang sinasabi niya ron, the system and the machines that must be procured by COMELEC must have demonstrated capability. And this must have been successfully used in prior electoral exercises here and abroad. Ngayon, if you base the procurement on the terms of preference of COMELEC itself, ang sabi nila, the minimum requirement is the application or the combined applications of two technologies, DRE and OMR, in one machine. That's why they call it hybrid machine. So kailan ba nagamit ang combination ng two technologies? Palagay ko wala pa. So why is it that the COMELEC is avoiding to answer this question? Very basic. Tapos tinatanong namin, what happens doon sa decision ng Supreme Court when the Supreme Court ruled that the COMELEC committed grave abuse of discretion in disqualifying a contractor even before it can submit its own bid? Ay sinasabi niya, hindi naman daw siya binawalan ng Supreme Court. Pero alam niyo, pagka yung action was attended by grave abuse of discretion, that action, meaning to say that bidding, is void. It is as if that it does not exist. So dapat siguro, kahit hindi ka binawalan ng Supreme Court, nag-rebid ka siguro. Ang sinasabi niya, there was bidding because there were 5 contractors who bought bidding documents, pero hindi naman sila dumating. Ibig sabihin, walang bidding. Pagka walang bidding, again, COMELEC violated Republic Act 9184. Kasi lahat ng services, lahat ng products na ipuprocure mo, kinakailangan may bidding. Ang presyo nitong procurement nito is 17.9 billion pesos. Pagka hindi ka dumaan sa bidding, ba't mayroon pa tayong procurement law? Ito yung fundamental questions. Na-divert na nga lang because may dumating na mga information about offshore accounts. These are only collateral issues.